doing B2, which is going to be, we have y being equal to, let me make sure I do it where there's a lot of space because I'm going to need it. We had y being equal to x squared plus 1. This is multiplying 5 plus x plus 1 over x. Let's go ahead and let's do it. So what are we going to have? We take x squared, it multiplies the whole of this, then 1 multiplies the whole of this. So we can just say it's going to be, if you want to do it the long way, you say x squared is going to multiply 5 plus x plus 1 over x. Then plus 1, this one is going to multiply 5 plus x plus 1 over x, which is going to be x squared times 5 is going to be 5x squared. X squared times x is going to be x to the 3. Then plus x squared times 1 over x is going to be x squared all over x, because x squared is a whole number, it just multiplies the top. The bottom never changes. Then we say plus 1 times 5 is going to be 5. 1 times x will be x plus 1 times 1 over x is just going to be 1 over x. So it's going to be 5 plus x plus 1 over x. Nothing changes on the second. What would we have now? 5x squared plus x cubed plus this is going to be x into x1 into x squared. It's an x. You remain with just one more, which is x. Then you can say plus 5, then plus x, then plus 1 over x, which is now we can look for like terms. We have x to the 3, so it's going to be x to the 3. Then x to the 2 is, we have 5x squared. Then we have an x and an x, so it'll be plus 2x. Then we have a plus 1 over x. Then we have a plus 5. Right? So we can now say that y is going to be here equal to x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 5. Now let's go ahead and let's find the derivative. We can now say y prime or dy dx is going to be drop the power 3, reduce it by 1, x to the 2, plus drop the power 10, reduce it to the 1, x, plus drop the power 2, plus, okay, in here, oh my, we need to change this so we can differentiate. I'm sorry for that. So it's going to be y is x to the 3 plus 5x squared plus 2x plus, now this becomes x to the minus 1, then plus 5, which means now we can find our y prime, which is going to be drop the power 3, reduce it by 1, x to the 2, then multiply the 2 by 5, 10, reduce the power by 1, x to the 1. Then derivative of 2x is just 2. Then the derivative of this is drop the power, it's minus. It's going to be, instead of a plus, you know, it now becomes a minus 1, which is just a minus. Then you reduce the power by 1, x to the negative 2. Then the derivative of 5 is nada. So this just becomes y prime is equal to 3x squared plus 10x plus 2. Then you have a minus 1 over x to the 2 here.